When you open to Gcash, you can see that Gcash not opening. Your phone settings is not secure. In this video, I show you how to fix cannot open Gcash or Gcash not opening problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, then search for build number. Tap on build number. Continuously tap 4 or 5 times. Enter your lock screen or password. Now you are a developer. Now search for setting developer option. Tap on developer option. Scroll down, find out OEM unlocking. Disable it. Press back button one time. Now disable use developer option. Now open Gcash. Now I hope that this method fix cannot open Gcash not opening problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thomas.